Hi everybody, it's Belinda Allen and I'm excited to say in October of this year, 2021, we're finally getting back together in person for some training. Look here, we have a whole training schedule set up with NewView Strategies offering all kinds of courses, including BC courses, GP courses, and I'm doing two one-day courses for Microsoft Power BI. You know there's two things I love, Power BI and ERP data. So I'm going to be offering two one-day classes that are an introduction to Power BI, and I'm going to be using accounting data. Now, I'm going to have some Excel files, and I'm going to specifically talk about some of the uniqueness between GP and BC. But don't let that stop you if you're interested and you use a different ERP system, because we're only talking about those two, so we could talk about some of the different things you have to think about when you're using Power BI with your ERP data. So we're going to basically be pretty generic with our ERP data since we're using Excel files, but I will be using a combination of those files together and talking about some of the different things that you need to think about. So it should be a great class. Now I said there's two one-day courses. One day is for end users, where I'm going to focus on how you can work on implementing a Power BI methodology within your organization as well, along with some things to think about. Then I'm going to be offering basically the same class for partners, and that one is going to focus on how can you help your customer with it. And so even if you have some Power BI foundation and you want to really kind of get a good and stronger foundation than what you currently have, then that's something that you ought to do. So I'm sure you're wondering, where do I sign up? So this is where you could go to sign up. You could go to the NewView Strategy /Houston site. And I want to point out that there are early bird registrations. If I scroll down just a bit, you could see early bird expires on August 30th. And the advanced registration is October 3rd. So you could come on site, you can sign up for the early bird, or you can sign up after the early bird. The classes are going to be kept pretty small, so we'll be safe. We're going to be socially distancing within class, and we're going to take all kinds of measures to make sure that we are safe. So now that you know what we're offering and you know the dates, where do you sign up? Well, you sign up at getyournewview.com/Houston. So go ahead and sign up, and hopefully you'll be staying for Summit, but you could attend the class even if you're not attending Summit. It should be a lot of fun. Hope to see you there.